Yeah, I am Navneet Kumar Jain from Navratan Polycolors and Navratan Polymers Private Limited, situated in Hyderabad. And first time I have seen such exhibition. We are participating from long time. I think from in last 20 years, since 20 years we are in this field. And we are seeing so much of crowd first time, and we are not feeling that we are in Hyderabad or we are in state is representing that this type of seminar and this type of exhibition. We are feeling that we are in Delhi and we are in China. So I appreciate the whole team that organized the beautifully, and very thankful to all the customers and all the mates. Thank you so much.